Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is another video on object styles. And this one might be the most useful one for me because I use this tool all the time and I could never figure out how to change the dimension in the text. Just the other day, I wanted to measure this piece for a video. Matter of fact, I was making something and I wanted to measure the distance, and you can barely read it. I can, but you don't. I don't know if you can see that on the monitors. And a lot of times it's quite a bit smaller. So what you can do is go to what we've done in the other couple of videos and go to Docker's Object Styles and go to Dimension and go to Text. And right here you can change it to whatever you wanted. You could change it to 100. You could change it to a different font. You could change it to a different color. I use this a lot for sending customers. We're just going to make it black for right now. Now we're going to use that exact same tool, and voila, it's a lot bigger. It's black. I'm pretty sure inside here, I haven't played with it, you could change the lined colors. I'm almost 100% sure you could, but that's a big deal for me. I send customers, plaques with text on it, and I'll put parallel dimension tool dimensions on it, and it's a lot easier. And if you don't understand why you would measure this part right here, let's change our nudge distance to 2.47 and make a copy of this, Control D, and then move it down, and those two pieces are touching. So it's a very useful tool if you're drawing something and they need to be perfect. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching. And as always, I forget to go back. You could revert, or you could set as a new document default if you want it to be that way all the time, and I do, so I'm going to click OK. And then you're ready to go. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.